Hiya, welcome to Flight Ready. Planning to study in Australia? Here's a step by step guide to help you apply. Let's look at the application process. First, you will need to research and select universities and subjects. You will need to prepare all the required documents like academic transcripts, certificates, IELTS, SOPs, etc. Time for you to submit your application. It's best to do it with the help of an authorized agent, which will also save you the application fee. Wait for the conditional offer letter, which may take around a few months. This will be followed by an interview from the university, which is known as the GST or GTE interview. Again, it may happen, doesn't always. After that, you have to wait for your unconditional offer letter, which usually arrives from 24 hours to 2 weeks of the interview. You will then have to pay 6 months of your tuition fee and your healthcare insurance. Keep in mind the different ways you can pay for this, so you need to figure out which option is the best for you. After the payment, you will need to ask the university for your COE, which is the confirmation of enrollment. In the meantime, keep gathering your documents, translating, notarizing, and all of that. Finally, go for the visa. Then you go for your biometric and medical appointments. You wait for your visa. Once you get it, you're now ready to fly to Australia. We're going to talk about each step in detail in other videos. So if you like this video, hit that like button, share, and subscribe and stay tuned.